If you're starting a dropshipping business, setting up a business bank account probably isn't the first thing on your mind. But trust me, it's something you'll want to get right early on. The last thing you need is to start making sales and then run into issues with banking fees, transaction limits, or not being able to keep your business finances organized. So in this video, I want to share what I personally use and why I think it's one of the best business bank accounts for dropshipping. Most traditional business bank accounts are just not built for online businesses like dropshipping. You often run into things like monthly maintenance fees, minimum deposit requirements, limits on number of free transactions, and needing to go into a physical branch just to set things up. That's a lot of unnecessary friction, especially if you're running a lean digital business. When you're running a dropshipping business, you need a bank account that doesn't charge you just for existing. You need to be able to scale with your transaction volume, ideally one that is easy to manage and 100% online, so it can help you stay organized as your revenue grows. After testing a few options, the one I ended up using is Bluevine, and here's why I think it's a great fit for dropshipping. First, you get no monthly maintenance fees, there's no minimum deposit required, you get unlimited transactions, so it's super helpful when you're making a lot of daily sales. You can fully set up your account online, so you can sign up within minutes. You get FDIC insurance of up to $3 million. You can also create sub-accounts to help you separate money for taxes, product cost, or ad spend. And lastly, you can earn 2% interest on your balance up to $250,000. So if you're running a dropshipping business this year, you need tools that work the way you work. For me, Bluevine has just made banking simple. There's no surprise fees, no transactions limits, and no in-person appointments. So that's why I think it's a great choice for dropshipping. You can check it out yourself. There's a direct link in the description below. Thanks for watching.